everybody, it's me, Mila Rose, and I'm back for another video. We are going to finish out our cash stuffing. Like I said, I have a ton of sinking funds, so I split this up into two videos. If you want to check out the first half, go ahead and click the video before this. But this one, we're going to be just finishing them out for the month of June, and we're starting with technology, which gets $10. Now, I did buy a new keyboard. Maybe I'll do like a little unboxing. I got the really cute little one that you see so much of, and I'm super excited for that. So I had a significant dip. I had 110 in there, and now we have 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. 45 left over for technology. So we'll work on pulling that one back up. Getting more money going there. 45. Planner gets 5. I haven't bought any planner stuff. I haven't been planning, y'all. I've been in a slump, honestly. So I'm excited to kind of get back on top of things. So we have 10, 15, 20, 21. That's that 16 that we had left over. Well, that's good, because apparently I'd stayed at the same amount for a little while. So we're now at 21. Cosplay gets $2. 1, 2. Well, let's see how much we had in there. Cosplay was at $2. So now cosplay / gardening. So now it's at 4. $4 whole. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I need to buy a new planner, y'all, because I got a fig tree, maybe, or a pomegranate. I think it's figs. And it's huge, like it's growing like crazy, and I need a new planner for it, so I'll have to buy that. I'll probably need to add some money to this so I can buy that. Singing bowls gets 5. Let's see how we're doing on singing bowls. Alright, so we have 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 86. Adding another 5 to that. Lots of 5s in here. Right, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 91. Yay, we're making some progress, so that's exciting. We have to get up to, I think it's 140 for singing bowls, so we're making it. It was what, 96, I think? All right, phone gets a 10. And phone has, oh, I traded that out. 100, 10, 20, and now we're at 130. I'm very excited. Huh. Phone has $10 more than what it's supposed to. How interesting. Okay, well, I'll check that and just make sure it's right, but that's what I'm seeing. I don't know if I gave myself extra money or something. Anyway, miscellaneous gets 5. Again, miscellaneous is for, you know, something pops up. So now we're at 10. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I'm thinking, because I really need some ones, and I'm going to trade this out. I hope I don't regret that. So 10 for miscellaneous. Who else do we have? Health gets 10. And I have health sitting out here. So excited about this. 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. That's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. That is a full copay, y'all, for next year, because next year I'm getting rid of my HSA flexible spending account, whatever you call that thing. That is going to be gone. So I'm working on saving up some duckies now. Canva gets 10. Okay. Canva should be at 50. So 20, 30, 40, 45, 50. Another 10 gives us 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, and 60. So Canva's coming along. NTTA is next. I wonder if I'm even going to get Canva though next year, because I have really slowed down on everything. So I don't know. We'll see. I'm going to give myself some space to figure out how I feel about that and just not rush myself. So 60 for Canva. NTTA gets 5. Like I said last time, I am so happy that I have my NTTA because y'all, I had to go through those tolls, and if I hadn't had that, I would have had 40 over and just been a mess. So 5, 10, 15, 20. So we're at 20 now, so we're just 20 more to go to hit that 40. I had gone over when I had met my goal. Again, I was really, really happy about that because it ended up coming in handy when I needed it. Okay, so now, I hadn't been tracking. 20. Now we do our last little seasonals. Oh, I didn't need stock. Okay, let me put planner up. I didn't need stocks yet. Seasons. Ooh, these ones are thick. Definitely probably need to trade these out. Start of spring. Spring gets 3. We are now saving for 2024. Wow. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. We only have 1 5 left, so I think I have all the 5s I need for the next one. Let me check and see. I don't, so I'm going to actually keep that 5. So 1, so we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Going towards, I wonder if I should give that 10. Oh, I no on that one too. Okay. So we'll just keep this. Going towards 2024. So who even knows? Depends on how much I actually end up spending for this spring equinox. But I love it. I love having that money there. Oh, wait, that was spring. Well, spring's already done then. All right, so we have 11. Summer solstice, which we're almost finished up for the next one for 2022. So that gets $3. So 1, 2, 3. And we have 10, 20, 25, 26. And now we have 27, 28, 29. So 29, we're $1 away from our goal for 2022. And summer solstice is coming up before y'all know it. We'll have summer solstice. So again, I'll see how much I end up spending, and I'll go ahead and put these up. And then we have fall equinox. We must have started a new year, so we're up to, oopsie, we're up to 2023. And we have 3. Yes, 3 for 2023. We're adding another. So now we have 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 for 2023. Put that one up. And of course, if I always overspend, I'm not worried about it. I'm like, well, that's why I'm planning ahead, y'all. And then we should have 13 for whatever's the next year we're working on, 2022. So we'll be adding 1, 2, and 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So let me put that one back. So we should be at 16. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. There we go. And now winter's done. Oh, I'm really glad I split these videos up because there's just so many of them. They take a really long time, y'all. Okay, so 6, 16, and now is that everything? Oh, well, I have savings. I don't know if I have. I think I did write some things down. So actually, I think I'll do my savings updates in my next video because I need to do a savings update anyway. So that's it for sinking funds. Sinking funds are full, ready to go. Everything's updated. I hope you had a great time. Thanks for watching. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you all later. Thanks. Bye-bye.